Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to browse securely with Surfshark VPN on Chrome? Here's how to set it up in under a minute. First of all, open Google Chrome and go to the Google Chrome Web Store. Type Surfshark VPN in the search bar. Click on Surfshark VPN Secure Proxy, then hit Add to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add Extension. Once installed, click on the Surfshark icon in the Chrome toolbar. Log in with your Surfshark account and click Connect. That's it. Your Surfshark VPN is now live on Chrome. Enjoy safe browsing. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.